Hello, everyone. Welcome to this fourth lesson. And we are going to talk, I know we talk about the same topic, the previous lesson, which is what if I lose my smartphone or my crypto wallet? So the previous lesson was dedicated to you losing your smartphone. But remember, you can have it usually in your smartphone, you've got like a hot wallet. So you download a wallet like the Abra wallet. And if you lose your smartphone, you just have to buy another smartphone, okay? And you recover your wallet with the seed, okay? With this secret password. In the case of Abra, these are 13 words, but it could be 12 or 24. It depends on the mobile and on the wallet. All right. But what you have to think of is the following. What if you don't have any phone, but you lose, or you've got your phone, you've got your Abra wallet, but you decided, because on your Abra wallet, you had like, let's say 2 or 3 Bitcoin, was really, really too much. And you decided to put this Bitcoin in a hardware wallet, which is like, we call them a cold wallet, which is, we will talk about these wallet in the further lessons, which are wallets which are not connected to the internet. So they are really safer. But imagine you put your 3 Bitcoin on a Trezor or a ledger and something wrong happened and you lose or you damage one of these hardware wallet. So it's the same case of your phone. You would say, okay, what you have to do is buy another unit of these wallet, which is another ledger or another Trezor device, and you will do exactly the same as you do with your phone. It's not exactly the same interface, but it's very intuitive. And in this app, which is the Abra app, they will ask you when you plug in it, what do you want? Do you want to recover your phrase, or do you want to recover your wallet, or do you want to create a new wallet? Okay. So it will be the same for Ledger and Trezor. You plug the device on your computer and they will ask you the same. They will ask you to enter your recover password. In the case of Trezor, you've got 2 options. Some wallets have 12. The latest are 12 words. The first version is 24, and Ledger is 12, I think. Okay, so it's exactly the same. So what you have to remember, don't get really worried about the interface. If you understand that in order to get back your money, you need to keep really safe your recovery phrase, or it's called seed. Once you've got this seed safe, you don't care about, well, I mean, it costs money. Obviously, you lose your phone, you have to buy a new one. If you lose your Trezor, it's expensive. It's more like £100 or 100 euros. So you spend money, but at least if you've got 2, 3, or 4 Bitcoin or other coins, you just have to plug these device in your computer and introduce this key, and cha-cha, you access your money. All right. So this is very, very important. And I just want you to remember that. Now we are going to the 4th lesson. Bye-bye.